Hi, my name is Wendy Tanner, sales representative at Remax Escarpment. Welcome to this gorgeous listing at 26 Daw Avenue in Binbrook.
This John Bruce Robinson home features 4 bedrooms and open concept main floor. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
We hope you enjoyed the pictures and the 3D tour, which you can watch from the safety of your home. We want everyone to stay healthy and happy.
If you'd like to book a tour of this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Binbrook, please call me. My name is Woehrle, and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.